Hi guys, Zoe Talbot here. I train the Monday morning class at Denny Collins Fitness. This week it's my turn for the Thursday tips. So my Thursday tip is to always meal prep. For someone who is always on the go like me, I really find meal prepping is my lifesaver. I went through a period there where I really felt tired and sluggish, and I don't have time to get home during the days to cook food, so I would always be eating out on the go, and it really affected my energy levels, concentration, and then I started meal prepping. So I recommend to do it. You can do it to suit your own schedule. So say Monday evenings I'd have an hour and a half to 2 hours free. Well, I'd really dedicate that time to cook my food, meal prep, go get some durable containers. It can be exciting when you're shopping around for your new lunch boxes. Get some really good proteins in there, carbs, and just I really enjoy that time, even for my own headspace on a Monday evening, cooking and prepping for the week. And seriously, you are where you eat, and I really felt a difference after meal prepping. You're putting the goodness into your body and you're able to give goodness out. And remember guys, if you're finding it tough or really you're hitting a slump in the road, close your eyes and think of where you'll be in a year's time, and it'll feel good. Have a great week.